Every day, thousands of industrial batteries are replaced, not because they have failed, but because they are assumed to be at the end of life. Every new battery carries a hidden carbon footprint, long before it reaches your facility. But what if replacement wasn't the only option? Through advanced diagnostics, precision regeneration, comprehensive testing, and certification, a battery can be restored safely and responsibly for continued service. The most sustainable battery isn't always new.
Instead of replacing every unit, many can be regenerated. Every organization has committed to net zero, but net zero isn't achieved only by renewable energy. It begins by reducing unnecessary manufacturing.
Every regenerated battery delivers measurable ESG impact through digital traceability.
Procurement is evolving, from buying more to managing better. Every battery should be assessed with
Sustainability is not just about protecting the environment. It is about using our resources wisely for future generations.
Before you buy a new battery, ask one question. Can this battery be regenerated?